next. Abhishek cleared PMP with all above target. And what a day to do it. Only 2 days left in 2021. And Abhishek decided, no, 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 no. 2021 is not going like this. I need to get this job done. I need to get PMP done. And he did it with all above target. Abhishek, as he was telling me just a minute ago, he was following multiple coaches, and even today he was going through our people journey, which is one of the most important. And incidentally, Abhishek, I shared it last night one more time for the people because people is
Yes,
becoming.
actually, last night, I think you are sharing one of the interview with one of the candidate who came to Pakistan, and and he, I mean, you are given a lot of mock activity to
Umar
him, right?
Sadiq, Umar Sadiq,
Yeah,
Umar Sadiq, yeah.
yeah. So I always watch these videos and see what exactly candidate have done that. I watch many. So whenever someone clears, I put a post that okay, share your experience. So that really helps us. It helps us to know what we can do the preparation basically.
I totally agree. So Abhishek, you have watched multiple journeys of mine. So you know how these things work. It's not my journey. It's not my story. It's your story. You are the hero of this story. So please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I mean, like, one of the coaches suggests, every year we should go for one certification,
Okay.
basically. So last year, same time I started, I joined one particular group, PMP, and then I took some training. But thing is actually because of office life, I mean, I'm not able to focus it. So
Okay.
I just started at that time, somewhere in the Feb, I started learning, basically self learning started on that. But I was feeling very bored actually. I'm not able to, digest PMBOK basically. I mean, it's quite boring. And then there's a pandemic happened with my family member got COVID, so I had to go out and to my hometown and come back.
Hmm.
I lost the rhythm. Again, I started somewhere in the April, and I was very good in somewhere in the May, but again because of office work, I mean, it got tandem again, stopped it. So again, June, and I started again. Like this time I'll do it. And then September, I was very good. I thought to give exam in October. I got a eye problem, severe eye problem, which required a surgery. So I took, go
So
for
you were
surgery.
so you were good to go for preparation and you were going good and suddenly life hits you. Apart from COVID,
Yes,
you got a problem with the eye and you have to go through that surgery, right?
yes. Actually, I mean, yeah, and it happened in one eye, so I had to go for surgery. But the problem didn't solve up, and this almost killed, 1.5 months of mine. So again, somewhere October, my wife cleared two certification in 1 month,
Okay.
like in a technical field or cloud. So I got a kind of inspiration, like if she can do it in 1 month, two certification, why can't I do it? Well, I'm doing for past 1 year.
Okay.
So then I I mean I spoke to my friends and someone suggested, I mean actually I'm watching your videos basically slowly one by one, and I'm like if I learn something I can watch your video on maybe other videos. It will give me, okay, this is the very, I mean you can I mean someone suggesting us everything in a very quick time, right? 15 minutes, 20 minutes, a chapter of integration, right? I mean, so that really helped actually to learn the things. And then November I made a mind I should do it.
So November was
So there,
the deciding month.
yes, yes, starting when you can see, that the third attempt which I'm trying to do again. So I this time my wife made a point that okay, whatever happened, December end you make a target. So she in front of my head gave me the date. Okay, this date you should finalize it.
And what date she gave you?
She gave me like actually date is supposed to come in somewhere 15 or 20, but I'm not getting the date. So date is coming somewhere 29 today, 8 to 29. So she said, okay, 29 you should give the exam. I will not be available here. So
Okay.
I mean you will be given 1 week time to clear the exam.
Okay. So she
So
gave.
November I started,
Yeah. Yeah.
so November I started following, your videos. Apart from it, I have made notes also because I try to see different books, Pimborg, Rita, Headman. Sometime, I did, other courses also. So my intention was, wherever you get something, good, try to get it.
100%.
That is what I'm trying to see.
100%. I totally agree with you that we should always strike for everything.
And
Okay.
I've seen, many videos. I mean, like, I mean, I cannot remember Ito's principle, Ito's and everything. I did, try to do that.
Okay.
So and then the mindset came up. So I mean, I see most of the students, they're saying about the mindset. So I also got the mindset, basically. That mindset is very important. Like something is not working, what we should do. So, I mean, instead of following documentation, I try to, use my own judgment, basically. So what actually happening is in my mock activity, I'm able to finish the exam in 2.5 hours.
Good, good, good. Two and a half
But the
hours.
scores were not good, actually.
But
Scores were not good, actually.
that's a very less time. You are living up a lot
Yeah.
of time on that table. Okay.
So
Yes.
scores were coming 58%, 57%. So
Hmm.
I spoke to one of the coach, he told me, give more time to, your exam, say first 60 question, 90 minutes, then 60 minutes and 60 minutes.
Hmm.
I tried to implement it, but again, I was unsuccessful. Again, I was able to clear exam. I mean, prep class and other things, 64%.
What score you were getting in that time?
In prep class, I'm getting 57%.
That's very bad. Yeah.
But when I see, the individual uses, I'm getting 70%, 60%, So I got, a doubt that I'm putting a lot of, speed up very fast.
Yeah,
So I
that is
need to slow down myself.
yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. You need to slow down and like you needed to slow down, not now. Now you are a certified
Yeah, yeah.
PhD. Now it does not matter what you did, what you did
I
not.
need to slow down, actually. I need to slow down. So again, I did, last few days I did it. So in Udemy courses, I'm getting 70%.
Okay.
So I realized the prep class is a bit tough than Udemy.
So
I mean, I did multiple, Udemy.
what about exam? You give exam in home or in center?
No, I went to such a center because I have read a lot of, videos and everybody suggesting to go to center. So I went to center. I mean, like,
In Hyderabad, where is the center?
center is in, I mean, it's in, somewhere located in the, it's like JNTU area. Like
Okay.
it's far
How,
away from my house,
how,
like 12 to,
how many centers are there in Hyderabad?
like there are few centers, 2 or 3 centers.
Yeah, there are two, three centers. That's a good. This
Yeah, and
means
the bad thing happened is like on Sunday while walking on the road, my leg got twisted,
uh,
and I could not walk on the road, actually. I mean, I had to ask some of my friend to get me on the home, and nobody's there at the home. So I
okay.
had to do everything myself,
Hmm.
get medicine, to ask someone to get medicine, and then I mean, like 2 days is terrible. And Tuesday I saw your video where you were saying, someone to do lot of mock activity. So I thought I also did the same thing. I'm past 2 days, morning 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, get up and do a lot of mock activity, like 100 questions. So some area, I mean, prep class, nothing is left for me.
Hmm.
I'm able to clear prep class question in like 86 question in 40 minutes, because I know the answer itself, because I done so much practice that I know the answer itself.
That becomes
So
useless.
I mean, nothing.
That
Yeah,
becomes
that becomes actually useless. So
that,
so then I thought, nothing is working, actually. So then I thought, okay, let me see some videos. So I started seeing your videos. So I saw one video about the people. Project manager is all about people, stakeholder communication, and resources and mindset. So I got mindset. So the morning also I saw mindset. So entire question basically.
did you watch the video that I put last night regarding how to handle the time and things like that in exam?
No, no, no. I mean, I
That
didn't
was the
I
that
saw
was
the last.
the yeah, last video I put it. Actually, it's about the time management, how you should manage the time and things like that. Okay. Then
So I mean, in the exam, actually, I mean, like I came around 7. I mean, in the night, actually, 2 o'clock I get up. I'm not able to sleep.
okay.
So 2 to 5, I did a the review of my question from the prepcast. So then around center I will be. I mean, I reach center 7 o'clock.
Okay.
There were, it took almost 1 hour to start, process everything.
Why?
Because there are, many. I mean, there are many candidates, and they are coming up with all the process, security check-in, to check
So
everything, files and everything.
how many candidates were there? You are saying many candidates.
Yeah, I mean, there are 10 to 12, but they are different. Like couple of guys are from PMP, CSM, and some other AWS. So
Okay, okay.
different certifications are there
Okay, yeah.
on that
Then
way.
that makes sense.
So
Okay.
and I made a target that I should finish my 60 question in 90 minutes.
Okay, okay. Then you
I mean,
finish.
because I'm finishing everything in 50 minutes, 40 minutes, so I don't want to take that chance this time. So
Okay.
I thought, I made a mind, okay, whatever happened, 60 question, 90 minutes. That's it.
Okay.
So
And
I able to finish exactly 80 minutes, 60 questions.
that's good. 80 minutes is in my opinion, what I say, every one has a different opinion, but what I suggest 80 minutes is the ideal time. Okay, then
Yeah, actually, what happened is, I was thinking because, I have a doubt from my prep class because I'm able to finish 60 questions somewhere 45 minutes. So I made up mind, no, this time I'll take a lot of time. So I did a lot of time actually. I mean, I did top to front to like from first to 60 question, again 60 to first. So in the 30 minutes, I did 2 time reversal.
okay, okay, then
So
how did you
then,
manage the further time?
so then 80 minutes actually, then I took a break of 10 minutes.
Okay, and then
Then I mean, again I took a break and then again I started. Okay, this time I thought, okay, this is fine because everything is situational and mindset, and I use my mindset
hmm,
definitely.
okay,
And then we have this the second set started. So again the same thing happened. I see, I read your one video where you're saying everything's about people, and I see agree. Yes, I see everything is like it's not 42% I am seeing, more than 42% I can see people.
actually the thing is that if you look at the PMI is not playing with anyone. If you look at the exam content outline is very interesting. If you look at this, if you allow me, can I open the exam content outline and
Yeah,
show
yeah, yeah, yeah,
you the interesting
yeah.
thing that actually happens, and that's why people are getting confused that this why that people is coming. Okay, so this is the exam content outline. If you go to, you can easily go uh, manage conflict, lead a team, sport. This is 42% people, sport, team performance, etc., all about team. Okay, 14 task directly, 42% is directly from team. Now come an
Yes,
interesting thing when we come there in people. This is process. The first thing is the second task is manage communication. Then engage. Task 4 is engage stakeholder. Then plan and manage budget, but also resource.
yes,
Okay. Then again, integrate activities, manage changes. So manage documentation, methodologies, predictive, agile. That's this one. Okay. So how do you transfer knowledge? Again, people think. So interesting things are there if you go through the exam content outline. What happens most of the time, even peer students plus trainers, they are not bothering to go through exam content outline. That's why PMB exam is coming. What the exam content outline is this? So it has to be people. It will remain people.
yeah, and yeah, and I focus. Last 7 days I focus 4 chapters: integration management, resources,
Okay.
communication, and stakeholder. These
Okay.
4 chapters. So I mean, I saw your videos which I shot. So
Okay.
that really helped me, okay, to get, because I'm not able to recall that keyword like resource calendar, team assignment, training. So I try to and Tuckman later. So I just a refreshment of this 4 chapter key chapter.
Okay.
And agile side, actually, I'm already agile, like CSM certified. So that really helped me to help me on that. So I know the agile side actually how it works. But only problem which I am seeing is I'm not able to remember. Basically the risk area is the one which I was having a problem. Risk and the cost.
Risk issue. Yeah, I keep
Yeah,
on
yeah. I
getting.
mean, what will happen?
Yeah,
So then I saw your 30-minute video. 30-minute video.
yeah.
What is risk? The risk, if non-risk, that become a if non-risk comes up, it become an issue. Issue go to issue log. So I try to see, okay. So then I said, okay, this is sufficient for me to remember it. I will not do anything more. That is sufficient. This video is sufficient for me on that. And then slowly, the second phase, I'm able to finish somewhere 15 minutes. 10 minutes I took for the revision. Then I took a break. Then the third set, I'm able to finish. I mean, I have somewhere, the time is somewhere about 75 minutes are left for me in the third set.
75 minutes.
Yes.
That's a good
And
time.
then,
You manage time
so I'm,
actually. Although you were bad while giving exam, but there you were managing time excellent. Like you put all the keys in the right way. In my opinion, this was the best, like the best time you managed. That was good. That was actually
and
good.
then around 55 minutes, I finished my, I mean, all the things. So I have 20 minutes left to
Okay.
do that basically. I mean, that. So, sorry, hi, 20 minutes. Yes. So I
Okay.
was, what doing? I'm doing like first, I went from 62, I mean, like 180 to 121, again 121 to 16, 180. And I still have 10 minutes more left. So I was thinking, like, I mean, I'm just reviewing one more time and I'm just waiting. Okay, I will not do pause. let system do the pause.
The system to the pause you are not going to. Okay. And if I put it in this way, your exam was more people oriented. Were there any formula question?
No, no,
No formula question. Any critical
yes,
path question?
no critical pass, no,
No critical path question.
no.
So anything that you would like to add to the PMT aspirant which can help
Uh,
them in 2022? Not 21 is over. 2 days left.
yeah.
2022.
Actually, I see, everything is about, scenario, space, and you should, do the judgmental basically. That's what I'm saying. Say example, if there's a problem happen with the team, whether you write a document or you talk to them, I say I'll talk to them directly, face to face communication.
Okay.
So so that is the actually, this particular area I use it. I know that if this question comes up, I will be good. But if something about the documentation update, and then I may not pass it. So all questions were related to everything about the situational basically.
Okay.
Like and all the system. The company is moving from predictive to hybrid,
Yeah. Yeah.
predictive to agile,
Yeah.
or they are mixing a hybrid approach.
Yeah.
Basically, what you can do that basically. They're talking about that only, and mostly the problems are there. Problems are there. What you should do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
If there's a problem, what you should do it basically.
I
So
love it.
everything about the problem
Yeah. I love the way you are putting it out. Okay. Your final
and main
advice.
problem.
Yeah. Your final advice to PMP aspirant.
No, my only advice, this thing, advice is like, my thing, whichever coach you want to follow, follow it. Get the information, get the required thing, and don't hesitate to feel, say, I didn't coach with you, but I got, information from you, which is helpful for me. So I thought, I should share you because, my success, some way, some part, you are also part of that one. Even though I was not part of your, 12, 13, 14, any batch, nothing is there, but indirectly when you put the video, it helped many people who indirectly helping us. So I thought, I want to share my success with you also because indirectly, you are one of the coach who helped me indirectly.
Thank you.
Like, it's a kind of a pull communication.
The things like that keep me motivating to keep putting the more and more data. And thank you very much, Abhishek, for your time. And I hope,
Yeah, and other thing I want to share is, whatever the problem in the life, we should do it actually. Like, I also had multiple problem. I failed, I passed. Then finally, I thought, let me do it. And still, next month I have a surgery. So I thought to do that before this surgery, I should pass the PMP in any case. So next month I have planned a surgery for my.
okay.
So
So
that's what I'm trying to say. That
best of luck for your surgery, and I wish you best of luck. Thank you very much, and
thank
namaste.
you.